everyone, welcome to Approved Weekly. Today our main focus is going to be the amount of G-Wagons we have, because currently we have nearly 30 in stock here at Approved Showroom. So join us, we're going to explore the different options we have with some of our different sales ambassadors. So we're going to start outside the entrance to our showroom first today, because we're going to speak about the fact that we have, in just our front entrance alone, 8 G-Wagons. You have behind me here and behind you there. So let's go over here. So at the moment we are super busy with the amount of stock cars we have. And if you're not familiar with the UAE and with Dubai, the weather is very hot at the moment. It's August, so actually it's not like European countries or other areas of the world when you have like a forecourt outside for selling cars. But we do have so many cars at the moment that are awaiting prep that they're outside. So this is why you're gonna see the awaiting prep sticker here. Basically the car has already got the price list in it, but it hasn't had any preparation yet. So that means it's not been polished. It's not been mechanically inspected, but with things like this, they're going to have some kind of warranty on them anyway because of the age of the car. So it's safe to put them without the inspection for sale. But as you guys know, we don't put anything physically in our showroom without its full inspection. So this one, they're awaiting prep. They're waiting for all of that, but they are on display, so at least you can come see it as a client, even if it's not officially for sale yet and officially inspected and cosmetically prepared. If you're interested in the car and you like it, we can still put something together on the basis that it's prepared mechanically and cosmetically. So yeah, we have a lot here. Going to find one of the guys and they are going to focus on one of these cars outside. I will let them choose. Perhaps we focus on something over there. So I've dragged Craig out into the heat here and he's... I
have no sunglasses.
He's not enjoying it right now, but that's okay,
yeah.
We'll be quick because this car is a standout. Tell us about this G.
Yeah, so first, the most obvious thing is obviously the San Jose orange Magno paint.
Very nice.
Which actually is very dusty right now, so... But yeah, really cool car, G Manufaktur, which means it's been customized by the original owner. And it is essentially brand new, although it's 2022. It's got less than 1,000 kilometers.
Oh wow, I didn't know.
That's brand new.
I didn't know. That's amazing.
Yeah, it's very cool. So yeah, that's just one. I mean, we've got I think over 25 G-Wagons in stock right now. This one
is almost 30 now. Since you had your days off, it's almost 30. Yeah.
Christ. Yeah, an awful lot.
Christ.
So if you want a G-Wagon, come down.
And
we'll have a quick look inside.
Yeah.
I mean, hopefully the camera will do it justice, but literally that is a brand new car.
Wow, look at this. Literally you can see here, there's the kilometers to be exact.
Yeah, and It's got the orange stitching to match.
That's very nice. So that's what makes it Manufaktur, right? And this is nice.
Lots of carbon fibre, and we've got the Alcantara headliner. All the usual gadgets you'd get. Speedy Mr. sound system, heated and cooled seats, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, adaptive cruise control, lane assist. Yeah, fully kitted out.
Very nice.
Really cool.
Very
Look,
nice.
Even has delivery plastic on there, the blue stuff, and it says here.
So is this priced well, considering it's essentially a brand new car, although it's 2022?
I mean, you're talking less than 800,000 for essentially a brand new G-Wagon. Can't argue with that at all. And under warranty. Extendable. Yeah, perfect.
Absolutely nice. Should we go back inside?
Yeah, let's get out of the heat. And wait. I'm going to do the classic. Slam.
I was going to do it. It's good. We enjoy a G-Wagon slam. It's the only car where it's appropriate to do that, right?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, let's go back inside.
Yeah, definitely.
And now I've collared Lee because he's given me a look. We've got another Magno. Tell me.
So this is a 2019 model G63 Platinum Magno Edition 1. Japanese specification with only 20,000 kilometers driven.
And what's the benefit of Japanese spec, since we have a lot here in the showroom?
Japanese specification, they go through quite a strict auction process. So when they leave Japan, the car has got to be in a completely clean state. Even still, we will send it for our own inspection once it reaches Dubai.
That's the thing. Of course, not every car, when it comes all the way to Dubai and it's been bought in this way for an auction, not every car, of course, is going to be 1000% perfect, but with Japanese cars, we do tend to find that honestly they're pretty perfect. They're quite low mileage. They're well looked after mechanically and cosmetically as well, so they're very good news. So just to put that out there, what's the mileage of this one?
So this one's only got 20,400 kilometers, so it's super low.
And it's 2019, so it's coming up to 5 years old.
Yeah.
So with this one, what kind of warranty would we be giving here at Approved?
So at Approved, we give 2 years warranty, which is a full comprehensive warranty with Munich Motorway.
And with brakes, right? With brakes? Yes, with brakes.
Yeah. Now the model itself, being the Edition 1, there's a couple of key factors of which you will see as the buyer.
Yes.
Which is the red trim on the wing mirror and the alloy wheel. The alloy wheels are comprised of the night package. They're 22-inch AMG black forged alloys. And then you'll also have the design running across the body, which will also indicate it's an Edition 1. Interior of the car's in Napa black. It's also got the diamond cross stitching in red, which also matches with the Edition 1.
That's very nice, and the belts are lovely.
Belts also as an Edition 1 feature. Also, one of the coolest things that I like about this is it's got the carbon pack, but it's also got the red.
Come and look at this.
Into the carbon as well.
Look at that. That's very subtle yet stand out at the same time. I like that. It's very nice.
And that runs right the way through the interior cabin as well.
Standard slam.
Yeah, it's a G-Class.
It's a G-Class. That should be if Mercedes were going to do a new advertisement, that's what their tagline should be. They've probably already done that though. And then how's the back? Nice.
Nice. The cross stitching also runs through onto the tailgate as well.
Okay, so that was a nice example and still looks lovely even at 5 years old with those low kilometers. And then finally, we're going to talk about this one over here with Lewis. Tell us.
So this is something a little bit different. This one has the Brabus 900 kit on it, so it obviously gives it a much more aggressive look and style. Starting with the front end, obviously you can see the mass amount of carbon fibre that is here, as well as on the hood.
It's everywhere.
As well as the light bar at the top. Coming around the side, you also have the Brabus wheels, more carbon fibre.
2020, 25,000 kilometers, not bad, it's lovely. And look at that wing at the back.
At the top, you've got the Brabus wing, even the carbon fibre wheel cover.
Carbon fibre.
Carbon fibre, carbon fibre, carbon fibre. Tons of carbon fibre.
Even the wheels, did we talk about the wheels? How big are they?
I think they're 22s.
Oof, they look massive. And red interior. So yeah, this one is very nice in terms of a lot of them are black or white with red inside. This one has the added addition of the kit as well, which I think is very nicely placed as well.
It just adds a little bit to what is already an incredible car. Just accentuates the aggressive styling on it. And yeah, it just makes it look awesome.
Would you buy it?
Personally, probably not.
Probably not. Why?
Because I would go for the Platinum Magno.
Oh, yeah. The one we just spoke about.
The one you
with
just spoke
Lee.
about.
Oh, we should have done it the other way around.
There's
Sorry about
something
that.
colour that I just love. But the kit on this, with that colour, would be absolutely insane.
Yes, it would. It would. I'm always loving like.
You've got to do the G-Wagon slam.
We've done it each and every time. I mean, classical with this kind of car, but it doesn't feel any less painful to me each time.
It hurts slamming the car door.
Yeah, and I'm kind of getting sick of doing it every day actually, because I feel like I've slammed it too hard as if I'm gonna break something.
No.
But there's no way around it. Like you have to. You can't
have to slam them.
Yeah.
They're built that way.
Where's the soft close?
Where's the soft close?
First world problems.
Come on, Mercedes. Give us a G-Wagon with soft close,
yeah.
please. So with almost 30 G-Wagons in stock, we definitely have something for everybody, whether it's a G500, a G63, a black one, a white one, a blue one, red interior, black interior. There's definitely something here that's going to suit your needs. So come down to Approved and check us out today.
And check out our website. You can see all of those listed together as well. Please remember to like, share and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Thanks, bye.